guys! So guys, ayan, good morning. And as you can see, nasa lake kami. And can you see this? A banana. Banana. Yes. So because we don't have a plate, so this is, I think this is fun. So what I'm gonna do is, I need to open this by my mouth. Not my hands, by my mouth, and I'm gonna eat it, okay?
Okay.
So, let's start it.
Motherfuckers kill teaser, motherfuckers kill teaser, motherfuckers kill teaser, motherfuckers kill teaser, motherfuckers kill teaser.
I hope I can open it with my mouth.
No, 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 no.
See? There you go.
Oh my God!
As you can see, guys, I already opened some of that. There you go.
Sana all.
Sila pang nag-ikus.
Hey, where y'all at? Do you see us over here? Yeah. We over here in another stump. I think that's y'all sitting over there. Across from us.
Asa lang, kahit sa lang.
Oh!
Yeah, right. There's a tree standing up right in between us.
Sabing mamaya na yan eh. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate dito sa ginagawa ko.
We ain't caught nothing over here. We ain't got a bite.
Daddy, I looked over here, but it went away.
So, yan. Tanyin niya sa talaga. Kung kailan may video ako, dyan naman sa tumatawa. At least nakaisa ako, guys. Ayan, malapit ko na guys, maubos ang isang tag.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah, with orange.
No, no.
So, ayan guys. So, nakita nyo naman siguro kung paano ko siya binuksan through my mouth. Hindi ko ginamit yung aking kamay. Never use my hands. I use my mouth. Ganun lang po kadali yun. So, actually, mabot ako ng 4 minutes. So, anyway, isa lang ang kaya kong kainin. But kaya ko siyang buksan. But I can't eat it all. I'm full. So, anyway, I hope you like my video today. Banana challenge. So, yung mga gusto din dyan mag-banana challenge, just do it. And thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video.